Hello friends, welcome back. In this class we are going to discuss about JQuery inner, outer, width and height function. So for using or discussing about width and inner, outer, width and height function, you need to just make the width of this box, you can say just 500 by 500 pixel, and Control S to save. Go to run menu, you can launch in Chrome. So this is the box, the width 500 pixel and the height is also 500 pixel. And first we are going to discuss about inner. So if you are just going to use here inner width, so you can just use this inner width, inner height. So Control S and just come here, refresh, again 500 pixel. So inner height we are just going to use here also inner, make sure the H should be written in capital letter. Inner height, this H should be in capital. Inner width, this W should be in capital. Control S and refresh. So again the same result. So you can just say for what we are using inner and outer, for getting the fixed result when we are using margin and padding, you can say margin, padding and border etc, just like this. So margin, padding, padding, padding and border. So we are just using inner outer function for getting the fixed result when we are using margin and padding. For example, inside this box I'm just going to use 20 pixel of border. Okay, 20 pixel of border, padding 20 pixel. You can save this, and if we just remove this inner from here, Control X, and here also Control X, put this in small letter W, this one should be H in small letter. Now save this. We have just used here padding 20 pixel. Focus here, we have saved this and refresh. So it is not giving us the the fixed result. You can see the width is just increased, the width of the size of this box. But if you want to get the fixed result, so you must use here inner width for getting the width result, and inner height for getting the inner height result, for the height result. Just come here. Now the width and height is 500 by 500. After refreshing, you can say 540 pixel. Why? We have used 20 pixel margin, so 20 from the left, 20 from the right. It is for width, it means 540 pixel is the width. 20 from the top, 20 from the bottom is 40. 540 is the height, so it has just increased. So in case if you are using a border here, for example border, you can say just 20 pixel border, the type should be solid, the color of border should be red. Just example, save this and refresh. So we have used border here, so this not just giving us the result. Why? Again it's 540 and 540. So we have just used a border 20 pixel border, 20 and 20 should be 40, the result should be 580. So for that you need to use here, instead of inner, outer width and outer height, outer width, and Control S and refresh. So you can see 580 by 580 pixel. Now we have the fixed result. So we have just let's use some margin here. For example, margin, you can say margin 40 pixel of margin. Control S and refresh. So you can see again it's 580 pixel. Again we don't have the fixed result. So just for getting the fixed result, in case if you are using margin, so you need to just come here and put the condition true, here also true, and here also. Control S, refresh. So the result is 660 pixel. Why 660 pixel? I'm just going to show you here in comment. So the 500 pixel is the fixed width, you can see here 500 pixel, and we have used 20 pixel padding. So 20 by 20 is equal to 40, just plus 40 and another plus. So it was about padding. We have used border 20 pixel, so again 20 and 20 plus 40, and we have used just 40 pixel of margin. 40 and 40 is 80. The result is 580. 80 plus 80, 660 is the result. So you can save this and just come here. So you can see 660 pixel is the result. So like this, you can use inner outer function in case if you are using padding, margin, border, anything inside your CSS. So by using these functions, you can get the fixed result about width and height attribute. I hope this is helpful for you. You understand, it's clear for you. Please watch the videos, do practice. Do not forget to do a lot of practice. Have a nice time and see you.